So as the demand for electrification continues to grow globally, automotive and aerospace defense markets are facing a lot of challenges. Working with a lot of people looking at what we do with, let's just say, commercial aircraft industry. What are we going to do with the propulsion technologies for those? How are we going to hybridize any type of transportation? So, everyone gets captured by the automotive market and what we're doing with traction drive motors, the electrification of the automobile, but we're looking at all the industries. So what's oil and gas going to do with, say, electric submersible pumps? What are we going to do with drone technologies? How are we going to power those? How are we going to store the energy? What's going to go on with, say, larger, ground-based vehicle technologies? What are we going to do with sea-based vehicle technologies, underwater technologies? All of these things are becoming more electrified. Great for our industry. It's great for the people on the other half, the magnetic side. It's great for people on this side, in the motor and motion, because this is our industry. I mean, our industry is going to grow quite a bit. So let's make sure we grow it and we grow it efficiently to fulfill the needs of our customer base.